Each time you make 30 points, you like, good luck, have fun, and I'll just mark your way.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
Good little gremlins need your help to save them from the monsters of the dark. Aim at their blue medallions, where the evil power is stored. The challenge is on. Go to your destiny.
Whoa. Okay. What's going on? Whoa. What is going on? Whoa.
I hit something.
It feels like I'm whipping them.
Yeah, I know.
Bad boy. Bad boy. I can barely understand what he's saying. Oh my god, it's a gargoyle! Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh, it's pulling it back. It's pulling it back. Oh no! Reverse gargoyle! How do people get so many points?
Are grateful to you. Good luck on your future adventures until we meet again.
Alright, how did we do? Looks like we have a night in training, and a night. Very nicely done, you guys.
Yeah, I'm still training.
Where? How much did you get, Alex?
12:30.
Alright,
What?
out towards me, please.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of your day.
Thank you. Did we win? I can't tell.
Yeah.